In this video I will tell you that how to link threads to Instagram. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically there are two ways. So the first is first of all you need to open up your Instagram account and make sure that you are logged in your Instagram account, and then basically you need to go into your profile here, then tap on the three lines, and here you can see under settings and privacy we have this threads option. So just tap on this one, and then it will show you the ticket of your threads account. Okay, and below here it shows you get threads option. So when you will click on this one, so it will take you to the Play Store, and from there you can install the threads app. And when you open up the threads app, it will basically ask you to import all of your information from your Instagram account, and if you tap on that option, then your Instagram account will automatically be linked with your threads app. And the second method is just go to the Play Store, okay, and download the threads app from here. Okay, just download the threads app from here. So we just wait for it to actually working. So here you can see we have the threads app. So you have to download the threads app, okay, directly from the Play Store, and when you open this up, it will ask you the same, like if you want to import all of your information from your Instagram account, but make sure that Instagram app is installed in your phone, and your Instagram profile is logged in. Okay, and then if you tap on that option, it will take all of your information from Instagram, and your Instagram and threads account will be linked. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.